Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Gamma Tech. Today we are going to go over the top 10 tech gadgets of 2020 that you can buy online or on Amazon. Also, make sure to watch until number 1 because it's one of the most amazing gadgets I've ever seen. But before starting this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell down below. Let's get started!
Drinks. Some are for get-togethers, some distinguish special occasions, and some can make a party. But none of them make their own tasty foam, until now. Foampresso is the world's first device to automatically add creamy foam to your drinks. Use it for your beer, your soft drinks, even your cocktails. It easily mounts on any can. It's lightweight, waterproof, FDA certified, and USB rechargeable, making it the perfect companion for your get-togethers. We've spent the last 6 months perfecting Foampresso, and with your help, we can bring that extra life to your beverages. Please, back us today.
I can't. He walks around looking like a...
Back and body hair got you looking like an ape? Stop the painful waxing and therapy sessions and get yourself the BaKBlade, the easiest do-it-yourself back and body shaver on the planet. The BaKBlade is extremely easy to use. The unique patented safety blades leave a smooth shave and are designed to minimize the risk of cutting. They feel just like a back scratcher. BaKBlade 2.0 also features an S-shaped ergonomic handle design, giving you a full range of motion so you can shave all of those hard-to-reach areas. The BaKBlade leaves no stubble behind, and with a detachable head, you can shave much more than just your back. If you need to change blades, simply slide the old ones out and the new ones in. Best of all, the BaKBlade can be used both wet or dry. Don't be an ape. Shave your own back. Isn't it about time you put the man back in manscaping?
When it comes to outdoor lighting, a little spotlight can go a long way. These are BioLite Sitelights, magnetically coupled discs that provide directional overhead light for your nights outside. Each Sitelight produces 150 lumens and contains 10 feet of cord, so you can hang and angle for any task. Power it via any USB source or from a BioLite lantern for added dimming functionality. Sitelights pack down into an orb for added durability and easy packability. Part of the Sitelight family, you can mix and match, creating a custom light setup to fit your site. See your evenings in a whole new light with BioLite Sitelights, part of the BioLite nanogrid.
Playing music is all about exploring possibilities. Roadie 3 is all about making that experience effortless and endless. Roadie 3 helps you find your sound fast. High-speed tuning, next-gen vibration detection, and enhanced accuracy keep your tunings dead on. Be free to explore alternate tunings easily using Roadie 3's intuitive navigation and ample storage space for over 100 presets. Tune almost anything with geared pegs using Roadie 3's compact new design that fits comfortably in your hand, pocket, or kit bag. See your options clearly and make quick selections easy with Roadie 3's full-color, high-resolution screen. This is big stuff in a small package. Restring and tune in one step, then feel the beat using Roadie 3's vibrating metronome mode. Your musical world is full of possibilities. Bring your Roadie and play on.
Product manager for Crescent Tools, and today I'm going to show you a powerful new professional demolition and renovation tool, the Bull Bar by Crescent. At the core of the Bull Bar is an innovative double fork design and indexing head, specifically designed for removing deck boards, wood siding, and pallet deconstruction. The double forks provide balanced lift on both sides of the nail and have gripping teeth to help reduce slippage. Boards are removed faster, cleaner, and with less effort. Compare that to traditional pry bars, which require more force and repositioning. Bull Bar's indexing head adjusts for optimal leverage. A closed angle gives the user fast action for shorter pulls. A more open angle allows for powerful downward force on larger planks or when demolition is above ground level. The Bull Bar has a patent-pending center nail puller, offering better balance and more leverage. great when removing ring shank nails and stubborn longer nails. The nail puller utilizes the round portion of the indexing head. This design acts as a cam to allow the head to rock against the wood rather than dig into the material. The result? Easy, smooth removal. Precision tips with gripping teeth are designed to easily fit between boards and are wide enough to straddle 2 floor joists. Reclaimers, salvagers, and other professionals will appreciate the narrow blades as they greatly reduce material damage. The bull bar is extremely rugged. The head and 44-inch knurled handle are made from heavy-duty steel, and an oxidized head and powder-coated handle protect the bull bar from the elements. Bull bar, the newest innovation in the Crescent line of demolition and renovation tools. Thanks for watching. To learn more about bull bar and other Crescent products, visit crescenttool.com.
The Survivor Filter Hydration Reservoir is the easiest way to carry and store water on any camping or hiking trip. Each reservoir can hold up to 3 liters and is guaranteed leak-free. Use the hydration reservoir in your pack or hang at your campsite for easy access to water. Thanks to the push and release hose mechanism, the reservoir will not leak with hose attached or disconnected. A durable neoprene casing protects the hose from dirt and damage, as well as controls water temperature. The wide opening and convenient handle make it easy to collect and store water anywhere. Fill the reservoir with clean, filtered water from a water filter or fill it home before heading out. Once the hydration reservoir has been filled, use the slide lock to ensure a leak-proof seal. The bite valve will provide you with a smooth flow of water and will self-seal to prevent water from leaking. When not in use, the durable mouthpiece cover protects the bite valve against dirt and damage. Effortlessly carry and store 6 liters of water wherever adventure takes you.
Don't let messy clogs, nasty blocks, and bunged up toilets hold you up. Hi, Mark Gill here, and this is the Drain Jet from JML, the high-pressure sink and plug hole unblocker that uses the power of pressurized air. No chemicals, no tricks, and no tools. Just pump, place, and power away those blocks and clogs. Drain Jet's incredible 30 psi of power frees up any kind of blockage instantly. We created this fatberg blockage with kitchen roll, mixed salad, rice, cereal, bread, another kitchen roll, and topped it off with water. Now watch this. Drain Jet's incredible pressurized air powers through this huge blockage like it was never even there. The secret is the pressurized pump action design that builds up and stores air. Pull the trigger and you get a forceful jet of blockage busting power. Choose from 3 different attachments so you can tackle any kind of obstruction. Traditional plungers push and pull and can create more of a mess than when you first started. But Drain Jet creates a huge blast of air that frees up virtually any obstruction. Just pump and pull the trigger and watch blockages clear instantly. Drain Jet is perfect for your bathroom blocks, your kitchen clogs, or those really nasty U-bend holdups. No matter how big or how small, make sure you choose the pressurized powerhouse that unblocks them all. It's the incredible Drain Jet from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.
Backing up shouldn't have to be a pain. Meet the Zeus Wireless Smart Backup Camera. With no wiring or drilling needed, it easily installs on your license plate in just 10 minutes. Pair with the Zeus app to instantly view everything behind you right on your smartphone and in either direction. Spot an oncoming car much earlier than what you would normally see from just your rearview mirror or other cameras. Other backup cameras give you a 140-degree view, while Zeus Backup Camera gives you a 170-degree wide-angle view. Detect pedestrians early to ensure everyone's safety. Backing up has never been.
The ill effects of being sedentary all day, every day are clear and abundant. From heart disease to back pain, there is no doubt that something needs to change. Meet the Wirk Orbit from Stamina Products, a new strider designed and built to set your legs free. The patented 360 hinges let you move your feet as you please. Forward and back, side to side, skating motion, or full circles. Unlike other under-the-desk products, the Orbit keeps your knees level so they don't bump the desk. The folding design and built-in carry strap ensures you can always have the Orbit around when you need it, and out of reach of your jealous coworkers. The Wirk Orbit can help you increase circulation, exercise your lower body, and burn calories, all the while keeping laser focus on the task at hand.
PD-ANY. We have a new concept. Don't use drones to carry your goods. Turn your goods into drones. By attaching 4 of the PD-ANY's independent propellers and motors, you can transform chairs, tables, or anything into a drone. Making our concept a reality, we provide motor units fitted with CRP, a flight controller, an IMU, a battery, etc., all in one package. We provide the freedom to choose a combination of either 4 or 6 CRP. Once the master is designated, the other units interact wirelessly to automatically become slaves. Since each of the units calibrate automatically before flight, all the operator needs to do is press start. Equipped with high-powered motors and the technology we've cultivated through our experience in large platform drone production, ProDrone makes anything a drone.
Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of top gadgets that you can buy online and much more. Also, check out this playlist of my top 10 amazing products to make life easier, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care!